Animal welfare has become an increasingly important issue not only globally but also in Malaysia. Many concerns related to animal cruelty, neglect, abandonment, and irresponsible pet ownership continue to be reported. Such issues have attracted public attention because they affect the well-being and rights of animals. Nowadays, social media platforms, educational programs, and awareness campaigns have helped spread information more widely to the public. People can easily access videos, articles, and campaigns discussing animal welfare issues. In addition, Malaysia has introduced the Animal Welfare Act 2015, which aims to protect animals and encourage ethical treatment. Ideally, university students who are exposed to education, media, and online information should have high awareness and empathy towards animals. Since students have access to different learning resources, they are expected to understand the importance of treating animals responsibly and ethically. However, the reality appears to be different because cases of animal abuse, neglect, and abandonment continue to occur. This situation suggests that awareness and understanding may still vary among individuals. In addition, previous studies have focused more on the public, pet owners, and animal welfare organizations, while university students have received less attention. The first theme is Animal Welfare Awareness and Knowledge. According to Eshma Kawar and Nelly Chan 2026, animal abuse continues to occur despite advancement in animal welfare policies and public awareness. This shows that having laws alone is not enough if people lack knowledge and understanding of animal welfare. Animal welfare refers to the well-being of animals and recognizes that animals can experience emotions such as pain, fear, and happiness. A recent example is the firecracker killing case in Perak, where a stray dog was killed using a firecracker. This case highlights the importance of increasing awareness and education about animal welfare, especially among university students. The second theme is animal welfare issues and cases in Malaysia. Various cases of animal cruelty, neglect, and abandonment continue to be reported in Malaysia. For example, a pet owner allegedly chained a dog to a motorcycle and dragged it because he no longer wanted to keep the animal. Such incidents raise concerns about the level of public awareness regarding animal welfare. Although Malaysia has the Animal Welfare Act 2015, cases of abuse still occur due to factors such as lack of empathy, societal attitude, weak enforcement of laws, and limited understanding of responsible animal care. Therefore, these studies suggest that improving awareness remains an important challenge in Malaysia. The third theme is the role of education and awareness campaign in promoting animal welfare. Previous studies have shown that education plays an important role in improving knowledge and encouraging responsible attitude towards animals. Through educational programs, students can develop a better understanding of animal welfare issues and the importance of ethical treatment of animals. A good example is the Decathlon 2026 program organized by University Putra Malaysia through its Faculty of Veterinary Medicine. The program aimed to promote animal welfare awareness through education, community engagement, and student participation. These findings suggest that universities can play an important role in increasing awareness among students. The fourth theme is attitude towards animals and animal welfare. Research shows that attitude and empathy strongly influence how individuals respond to animal welfare issues. People who have greater empathy towards animals are more likely to support animal welfare initiatives and engage in behavior that promote animal well-being. In addition, Narjas Clansari 2023 highlights that cultural differences can influence how people perceive and treat animals. Therefore, understanding attitude toward animals is important because awareness alone may not be sufficient unless it is accompanied by empathy and positive value towards animal welfare. This study is guided by a conceptual framework that examines the relationship between animal welfare awareness and students' attitude towards animal welfare. In this framework, animal welfare awareness is identified as the independent variable, while students' attitude towards animal welfare represent the dependent variable. The framework proposes that students with higher level of awareness are more likely to develop positive attitude toward animals' welfare issues. Greater awareness can enhance students' understanding of the ethical treatment of animals, increase their support of animal protection initiative, and influence their perspective on animal-related practices. As a result, students who are more knowledgeable about animal welfare are expected to demonstrate stronger concern for animal rights and animal welfare. This relationship is important because attitudes often influence behavior. Therefore, improving awareness may contribute to the development of more responsible, ethical, and compassionate attitudes toward animals among university students. Moving on to the research objective and research question. The first research objective is to identify the level of awareness of animal welfare issues among university students in Malaysia. Correspondingly, this first research question asks what is the level of awareness of animal welfare issues among university students in Malaysia. This objective aims to determine whether students possess a low, moderate, or high level of awareness regarding issues such as animal cruelty, neglect, abandonment, and responsible pet ownership. The second research objective is to determine university students' understanding of animal welfare issues in Malaysia. Therefore, the second research question asks, what is the level of understanding of animal welfare issues among university students in Malaysia? This objective focuses on assessing how well students understand the concept of animal welfare and the importance of protecting animal well-being. The third research objective is to identify the sources of information that influence awareness of animal welfare issues among university students. The corresponding research question asks, what are the main resources of information that influence awareness of animal welfare issues among university students in Malaysia? These sources may include social media, educational programs, news reports, awareness campaigns, and personal experience with animals. Overall, these research objectives and research questions provide a clear direction for the study and serve as guide for the data collection and analysis process. They are designed to help us achieve the main aim of the research, which is to better understand animal welfare awareness among university students in Malaysia. Moving on to research methodology, this study adopts a quantitative research design to examine the awareness of animal welfare issues among university students in Malaysia. A quantitative approach is considered appropriate because it allows data to be collected in numerical form and analyzed systematically using statistical methods. This approach also enables the researcher to measure awareness level objectively and identify patterns or trends among respondents. The target population for this study consists of undergraduate students from universities across Malaysia. Undergraduate students were selected because they represent an important group of young adults. To select participants, a convenient sampling technique will be used. This method allows respondents to be chosen based on their accessibility and willingness to participate in the study. Approximately 100 to 200 respondents will be involved to ensure that sufficient data is collected for analysis. Data will be collected through a self-administered online questionnaire. The online survey method was chosen because it is efficient, cost-effective, and allows data to be gathered from students across different universities within a relatively short period of time. The responses collected will then be used to answer these research questions and achieve the objective of this study. Next is the research instrument and data analysis. The primary research instrument used in this study is a structured questionnaire. The questionnaire was selected because it allows data to be collected efficiently from a large number of respondents. The questionnaire consists of two sections, which is Section A focuses on respondents' demographic information, including gender, age, year of study, and field of study. This information helps to describe the characteristic of the respondents and provides background information for the study. Section B consists of items that measure students' awareness of animal welfare issues. These items will be assessed by using a 5-point Likert scale, ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. The Likert scale is useful because it allows respondents to express their opinions and level of agreement regarding various animal welfare segments. Once the data has been collected, it will be analyzed using statistical package for the social science or SPSS. Descriptive statistical techniques such as frequency, percentage, mean, and standard deviation will be used to analyze the response. This analysis will help determine the overall level of awareness among university students in Malaysia. Next, expected findings and contributions. This study is expected to provide valuable insight into the awareness of animal welfare issues among university students in Malaysia. Based on previous studies and literature reviewed, it is anticipated that students will demonstrate a moderate level of awareness regarding animal welfare issues. It is expected that awareness will be influenced by factors such as education, media exposure, and access to animal-related information. Students who are more exposed to educational programs, awareness campaign, social media content, or information related to animal welfare are likely to possess higher levels of awareness and understanding compared to those with limited exposure. In terms of contributions, this study is expected to benefit both educational institutions and society. The findings can support the development of educational programs and awareness campaigns aimed at increasing students' knowledge of animal welfare issues. Furthermore, the finding may assist universities, policymakers, and animal welfare organizations in designing strategies and initiatives to improve awareness of animal welfare issues. In conclusion, animal welfare continues to be an important issue in Malaysia despite ongoing efforts to improve public awareness and strengthen the protection of animals. Cases of animal cruelty, neglect, and abandonment continue to be reported, highlighting the need for greater awareness and understanding within society. Therefore, this study seeks to measure the level of awareness of animal welfare issues among university students, assess their understanding of this issue, and identify the main sources of information that influence their awareness. By achieving this objective, the study hopes to provide valuable insight into the current state of animal welfare awareness among young adults in Malaysia. Ultimately, the finding may support the development of future educational programs, awareness campaign, and animal welfare initiative. It is hoped that this effort will contribute to fostering more responsible, compassionate, and ethical attitude toward animals within Malaysian society.